Hello, hi, and namaste everyone. So, guys, today is Holi, and I hope that you had gone for Holika Dahan. On behalf of that, let's have a small tarot guidance. Let's see what Holika goddess wishes to convey us. So, our first card. Okay, so now is the time for justice. A beautiful card. So, whatsoever you have taken action, whatsoever karmas you have done, now this can be of this lifetime or your past lifetime. Now is the time. Now the times will change. So, if you have created good karmas, you will get the results accordingly. If your karmas weren't that good, so you have to face it accordingly. But now the times will change. This is someone like this is some divine guidance that will happen. This is what has been said to you. Beautiful message. Okay, so some of you, just because you can see here, this person is a man. This is not only for boys and men, this is for everybody. So these are just energies, so this is for everybody. So I would say the second message here, Holika goddess is giving us is now you need to stand firm. Whatever experiences you had, whatsoever you have learned, now is the time for you to implement it with all that experience. Wherever necessary, be straightforward, be logical, don't involve your emotions where it is not necessary. This is what has been said. Just, it's over. Your time is over. Like, enough is enough. You have done a lot of things, like, you know, what we say is people are telling you something and you are going with the flow, you are going with the emotions. No, now is the time for you to act as a king. This is what has been said. And see, here two people, they are standing in front of this person. So you have that capability, so recognize it and move forward. Oh, so this is a sun card, but here I see is a devil. So yes, happiness and all, everything is happening. Like, maybe things will turn into your favor and all, everything. This is what I'm saying, a very positive card. But with the devil's presence over here, I would like to say over here is that don't go so much in that flow that you forget each and everything, that you become so, obsessed, that you're not understanding what you're doing, you're crossing your limits. No, guys, please don't do that. This is what I would say. Because with the presence of sun, I don't know, this is giving me also feeling of Surya Dev, God, Lord Sun Lord. This is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm feeling over here. So please be careful.